Hi, today we're gonna draw a cutie bunny. So let's get started. First, we're gonna draw his head. So let's get started. If you do it a little run, it's okay. That means you're learning more. Now we're gonna draw the bunny's long ears. We're gonna draw this thingy, and then we're gonna do this. And next, when we draw all of the bunny, we're gonna draw a giant carrot next to him. So we're inside of his ear, we're gonna do the same thing. And in the other side. Now we're gonna draw the face. First, we're gonna draw and we're gonna color it. A little circle and another oval. Now we're gonna draw a line coming out of it and two curves under. Now we're gonna draw his body. We're gonna draw the legs and we're gonna draw the hands. Wait, I need to erase a part. So you do it like that. Now we're gonna do like this. And do a little like shapey right here. Now we're gonna do a little lines on the carrot. Now we're gonna draw his eye. We almost did it. Now we have to color it. You can color it however you want. My bunny is gonna be gray. First, I'm gonna color the ears. It's okay if you go out of the lines. That means you're more learning. Like that. Now I'm gonna put my hand and color like this. Then I'm gonna color his head. Make sure that you don't too fast. Like this. gonna color the carrot he's holding. I'm gonna get this strand out of this and color the carrot. Like this. Now we need to get green. It's not. So we're gonna color this green. The inside of my bunny's ears is gonna be pink. Of course, you can color the bunny how you want. See you next time. Bye. Let's draw with Selena.